The Culture Crash Course is a live interactive experience designed to create a feeling state that invites more trust, more connection, collaboration, to embrace the idea of taking risks as an opportunity to learn and grow. In designing this experience, my aim is to shift focus from outcomes and results towards process and experience. That is where people do the most learning and have the most growth. The aim of this work is really to amplify the potential of individuals working together and to find the special sauce that creates better synergy, better connectivity, more empathy, more trust, and more willingness from everyone on your team to dive into a new project, a new challenge, a difficult situation, and bring the best of everybody's abilities and resources to the table. It's an opportunity to experiment, so are you willing to experiment with this model? Are you willing to go through the experience that solicits from you a more authentic version of yourself? Are you willing to share the part of yourself that wants to grow and learn with the people you work closely with? I believe this practice of putting culture first can help shift emphasis from outcomes towards a fulfilling experience of doing work with great joy and great passion.